Video, you want to say something?
Yeah, if you don't run it backwards and upside down, it doesn't count.
You're not a real man if you don't do it that way?
Right.
Okay. Just good to know.
Backwards and upside down?
Okay. How is it, see, after you ran the under the Peace Bridge?
That was great.
That was great.
Time.
It was great. Woohoo! Peace Bridge back there. Railroad Bridge coming up. Whoop. Railroad Bridge coming up. Got an ominous looking kind of a black cloud above us. It could be scary. Very big cloud above us. Another bridge. Who knows what may happen? Where the heck are they? Oh, there they are. There's Dan and Justine over there. Just floating away as we go along. An actual train going over the railroad bridge. I've never seen it. I've never been here when there's a train going over. Cool. Now Dan's gonna try to surf this. He's gonna try to get around the abutment and surf it. I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna try to do a 180. Right when we get around that post there, I'm gonna try to do a 180 and see if I can surf. I'd rather be in a little bit better control. Wow. Yeah, you want to turn around. All right, I gotta stop.